What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Aaron Sports Cards. Today, I've just received my monthly subscription of the Rookie Card Explosion box by Filmington, and this one's volume 28. So let's go ahead and open it up and check out our checklist real quick. Take a quick look. Looks like we got 93 score, 15 tops update, 18 top series 1, 18 heritage high number, 18 heritage minor league, 19 tops update, 2020 Bowman, 2020 tops chrome retail, and 2020 top series 1. All right, so let's go ahead and start ripping these things. Wish me luck. Starting off with 1993 score. Hoping to find that Derek Jeter. See what we get. All right, starting things off. Jim Gott, Roberto Kelly, Brett Boone, Sean Berry, Pete Janicki, draft pick, Lenny Harris, Paul Molitor, Hensley Mullins, Darren Holmes, Terry Pendleton, Andy Van Slyke, Johnny Guzman, JT Bruett, Jeff King, Kelly Gruber, Kevin McReynolds, and Mark Langston. So no Jeter in there. Okay, next pack. 2015 update. In here, we'll be looking for Francisco Lindor, Carlos Correa, Chris Bryant, Byron Buxton, and Joey Gallo. First up, Pedro Strop, Mark Canha, rookie card. We got a Jock Peterson All-Star rookie. That's not too bad. Albert Pujols, Home Run Derby. Joaquim Soria, Gold card. Number to 2015. Pancakes for pregame breakfast. Whatever works, Jim Palmer. Interesting insert. Yasmani Grandal, Royals Crush, Eddie Butler, Future Stars, and Josh Hamilton. Okay. Next pack, we got the 18 Topps Heritage High number. We're supposed to get these mixed around. Top Series 1. Oh, that's down here. Okay. All right, so let's go in the order that they're on the list. So we'll go with the Series 2018 Top Series 1. In here, we're looking for Rafael Devers, Ozzie Albies, Walker Buehler, Jack Flaherty, Alex Verdugo, Victor Robles, and Clint Frazier. We got Marcus Semien, Jackie Bradley Jr. Ooh, nice. We got the Devers rookie. Sweet. Not bad. That's a good one. And we got the Ozzie Albies rookie card. Sweet. That's a good pack. All right. John Segura, Eddie Rosario, another John Segura, and Lance McCullers, Carlos Correa, and Brandon McCarthy. Okay, well, that was a pretty cool pack. Let's see what we can get out of this next one. 2018 Topps Heritage High Number. Juan Soto, Ronald Acuna, Gleyber Torres, Shohei Ohtani, and Austin Meadows. Pretty good list of guys right there. All right, first card, Logan Forsythe. Daniel Palka, rookie. Anthony Santander, rookie. Lance Lynn. Now and then, Didi Gregorius, Daniel Mengden, Joe Musgrove, Rene Rivera, and Logan Morrison. So nothing too crazy in there either. I don't think we got any like action cards or anything like that. Okay. All right. Next up, we got the 2018 Heritage Minor League. And in here, we'll be looking for Badu, Jordan Alvarez, Shane Bieber, Fernando Tatis, Vladdy, Brian Hayes, Gavin Lux, Alex Kirilloff. So let's see what we can get out of this one. (2017) Minor League Baseball. Pedro Vieto, Nick Grip, and Matt Ramsey. Not really familiar with those guys. Looks like we got something yellow back there. Drew Ellis, Nick Allen. Oh, that's a pretty cool Vladdy. Huh, never seen one of those. It's pretty nice. I like that. It's got like a blank back. It's pretty interesting. Cool. All right, we got a Sam Carlson, Sam Hilliard, he's pretty good, Brent Rooker, and Yu Chang. Okay, let's move on to our next pack, which is going to be 2019 Topps Update. Looking for Vladdy, Tatis, Yastrzemski, Hira, Senzel, Rogers, and Will Smith. Oh, there it is. First card, Keston Hira. Fortunately, there's a little bit of white on that upper corner there. We got the Joe Kelly, Mitch Keller, rookie. Junior Guerra, Richard Lovelady, rookie. Andrew Miller, Kevin Herrera, Tommy La Stella, gold stamp. George Brett. That's pretty cool. I don't know if that's some kind of short print or what, but that's a pretty awesome photo. Home run and shutout. Syndergaard, looks like Syndergaard. We got the Guerrero, the Vladdy rookie debut, so that's not too bad. Kyle Barclaw, Jonathan Shoup, and Jorge Polanco. Okay. So that was not a bad pack. Here we go with the Bowman, 2020 Bowman. Dominguez, Bobby Witt Jr., Poisson, and Bayron Lora. are some amongst many prospects in this product that are pretty good. So let's see what we can get. Looks like I got a Eddie Rosario, Kevin Newman, Bo Bichette. That's a good one. We got a Bryce Terang, Corey Ray, and Jake Gatewood talent pipeline for the Brewers. Ronnie Mauricio, Shirton Apostle, Mike Soroka, and our Chrome card is going to be Jordan Groshans and Blake Rutherford. Okay, well, nothing too crazy in that pack. We did get the Bo Bichette, so that's not too bad. Okay, next up, here we have, this is 2020 Topps Chrome Retail. You can get the Chrome card of Luis Robert, Bo Bichette, Jordan Alvarez, Gavin Lux, Randy Arozarena, and Kyle Lewis. So let's see if we can pull one of those guys. That would be awesome. We got the Keston Hiura Rookie Cup. Jose Barrios, Alex Bregman, and it looks like we got a Prism card of Jose Ramirez. Okay. All right, our final pack is going to be 2020 Topps Series 1. Once again, looking for Bo Bichette, Jordan Alvarez, Gavin Lux, Randy Arozarena, and Kyle Lewis. Let's see if we can pull one of those guys and finish this thing off with a bang. Brad Hand. Agrizal, Iglesias, Urania. Ooh, nice. There we go. That's the OG Randy Arozarena rookie card. So that's a good one right there. Sweet. Way to end things off with the Arozarena rookie. And we got behind that an Eric Fetty, Tyler O'Neill, Brandon Crawford, Austin Meadows, Yankees team card, Cardinals team card, Topps Now advertisement, Jock Peterson, and Jeff McNeil. Okay, well, let's do a quick little recap. Here I got the Randy Arozarena rookie card. Nice. Got this Prism card. Keston Hiura rookie cup. Bo Bichette base rookie from Bowman. The Vladdy rookie debut from Update. This George Brett, I think might be a short print or something. So that's kind of cool. I got the Keston Hiura base rookie card. Got this Sam Hilliard minor league. This Vladdy, pretty cool looking card. The Ozzie Albies base rookie. Rafael Devers base rookie. Just put this one in there because it was a gold card. Don't really know too much about him. And the Jock Peterson All-Star Game rookie card. So not too bad. Did pretty good this time. Not complaining. So let me know what you guys thought down in the comments. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch these videos. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and feel free to jump in there. It's a free subscription. Just hit the button, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Till next time, peace out. Happy 420.